BCDR stands for Business Continuity and Disaster Recovery. Selecting and employing the right BCDR strategy, tools, and processes are core to operational recovery in the event of data loss or system outages, and will help to speed up recovery time for days or weeks to even just minutes or hours.
90% of all companies that don't have a BCDR solution in place, okay, they typically go out of business within 12 months, okay, after a major impact.
You want to have the information saved, but you also want to be able to access and utilize that information as quickly as possible to get back up and running and to minimize your amount of downtime. It's not just the cybersecurity aspect that we think about when we think about needing to have a backup. You should always just need or want to see the value in having a backup of any data, because anything can happen. Even if somebody walked into your place of business, put their hands on the server and walked out, you need to make sure that you have a copy of that data.
In regards to disaster recovery, we're going to promise that their data is not going to be any older than 15 minutes, and their entire environment will be back up and running within the hour of when they declare a disaster. When it comes to business continuity, backups, and disaster recovery, we cover the gamut. We cover all those platforms. Bring us your old, your legacy systems, your messy. We'll find a way to protect it, because DR is all or nothing. And I think the other thing that we do is we help our customers with the strategy.
What we do is we do what's called a full image-based backup. That means we're taking a backup of everything on that server. That is going to be the operating system, your settings, all the different data, every single block level piece of information we are backing up. We're not only then keeping it on site, but we're actually sending it off site to our private data center. That private data center is utilizing the latest and greatest encryption, military grade, at that, to make sure that nobody has access to that data. We then also send that data to a secondary site to make sure that we have your data located in at least 3 different locations.
This whole conversation about strategy and BC in particular, business continuity, is absolutely more than an IT conversation, right?
It is.
And the beautiful thing is that we're here to help, and Patrick and his team and Sagi and Jason's got tools that help us with those kinds of things, and we can help you do that.
To start a free trial from these solution partners you see here today, send us an email to freetrial@who'sinyour.cloud. Sign up for that very important free cybersecurity risk assessment at who'sinyour.cloud.